Hello, Assalamu alaikum, warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today, my all dear friends and my dear followers? I hope there are all my dear friends and my dear followers absolutely fine good. So that, my dear friends and followers, let's come to talk with to the hot topic. To the hot topic, their name is Candy Drop Mira. So that, my dear friend, today we'll discuss related about topic Mira. तो आधा घंटा ओके तो सबसे पहले आपको तारफ रागा आई एम योर होस्ट मिस्टर ड्रैगन फ्लावर ट्वेल्व so my daily work is making market analysis and there are lots of other things. So now I am trying to make analysis, analysis, and now I am trying to make that packet for everyone, my dear friend and my dear follower. Okay, so now I am trying to make that packet for everyone. Just a few seconds, my dear friends. I am going to make that packet for everyone. तो आज मेरे पास अमाउंट ज़्यादा नहीं है तो रेड पैकेट मेरा थोड़ा होगा तो सिर्फ एक ही रेड पैकेट लगाऊंगा बाकी उसके बाद हमने एक मरतबा फिर लाइव स्ट्रीम करनी है तो बेशुमार शॉट्स लगाऊंगा ठीक है ओके so that let's come to discuss today our topic Candy Drop 92 Candy Drop X Mira trade and invite friend to share 125 triple zero Mira. Okay. 125 triple zero Mira. Candy Drop is Gates Candy Drop platform where users complete tasks to earn candies and share token airdrops. We are excited to launch the Mira token airdrop event where you can complete the following tasks to earn candies and share a total prize pool of 1 to 5 triple zero Mira with a maximum individual share of 200 Mira. Detail are follows. Okay. So if you not understand, you can tell me. I am try my best to teach you and to eat Urdu. Okay. If you don't understand, so if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Here are Chishti 92. Join my live stream. Good morning. Welcome to my live. Mr. Chishti 92. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Thank you so much. Good to thanks. मैंने लिखना था गुड मॉर्निंग टू यू तो लिखा गया गुड डे टू थैंक्स थैंक यू मिस्टर 92 वेलकम टू जॉइन माय लाइव टीम आप कमेंट्स करते हो तो 92 आपको बताऊंगा जहाँ पे एक फंक्शन है, आप इसको देखो जरा, सिर्फ आपके लिए मिस्टर 6092, ये है आपके लिए। आप इधर जाएं, आटम कार्निवाल इसको भी ज्वाइन करें। लेयर गेट कार्निवाल 7, गेट लाइव क्लोजनेस ड्रिंकिंग, लाइव माइनिंग प्रोग्राम, न्यू स्कीमर, माइनिंग बोनस, कमेंट एंड विन का मामला खत्म हो चुका है। तो मेरा इरादा था आपको कमेंट एंड विन जितवाता, लेकिन वो अब खत्म हो चुका है। हेलो, हाँ भैया ज्वाइन वाला खड़े थे आप, इंदे वे ज्वाइन वाला खड़े, उनके बाद तू वन किया जनाब, तले इंदा खड़ा हो सी लिंक वेबसाइट का, ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट। हाँ इंदे विच है ना, हाँ यही। चलो नहीं खुलता तो तू यूं वाल दोबारा शुरू करना, तू दौड़ पाट दे। So that, my dear friends, so let's come to see first future trade price pool 25000 mira, maximum 40 mira per person। यार ये लोग ना मेरे साथ जाती करते हैं, मुझे ज्वाइन नहीं करने देते, कहते हैं आपका अकाउंट एफिलेटेड अकाउंट है। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ठीक है, मेरा अकाउंट एफिलेटेड है, मगर इन चीज़ों में तो मुझे ज्वाइन करने दिया करें ना। So their future trading pool, my dear friend, 50000 mira, मैक्सिमम 80 मीरा पर पर्सन। तो इसका तरीका भी मैं आप लोगों को बताता हूँ, इसको ज्वाइन कैसे करना है और ये कैंडीज हासिल करनी कैसे करनी है। बाद का तो इन कैंडीज का 100 200 जो है ना, इसका इनाम जाके बनता है, रिवॉर्ड बनता है। नीसा वेल बिटवीन स्टे अबव 6K दिस वीक, no this week 6K, no that's not right, between this week maximum 98K। So that let's come to see invite friend pool 50,000 mira, maximum 80 mira per person। Okay, thank you Nisa, thank you। So airdrop calculation, my dear friend, formula individual candy amount total candy of all users x price pool। Okay, थ्री, ये क्या कह रहा है, Tirikeki, Tirikeki. Hello, Mr. Tirikeki. Welcome to join my live stream. How are you today, my dear friend? I think you are understand my language. What's the entry level BTC and Ethereum? So now this time I am making telling about this project Mira. After I finish this project, then I tell you a lot of everything. Hon tera comments valid है, हूँ आज तेरे comments valid है। हाँ तो मेरे दोस्तों ठीक है, इवेंट पीरियड सितंबर 26 2025, 12 अक्टूबर 7 2025 12 UTC। So let's come to see, I am tell you, let's come to with me, my dear friend, I am tell you how to join and get candy drops। There are very easy, and there are so difficult। If you want to make get Mira from by future trade, that's very risky। If you wanna, you can go invite your friends and get Mira token very easy and free। So first of all, you can go here participate button, click to join participate now। You can see, sorry you are not eligible for this event, please check other event। तो वो कह रहे हैं कि आप इस इवेंट के लिए एलिजिबल नहीं हो, तो नेक्स्ट जो इवेंट आएगा मैं उसमें एलिजिबल हो जाऊंगा आई थिंक। ओके, क्योंकि मैंने पहले भी 3-4 कैंडी ड्रॉप में हिस्सा लिया है, और सबको विन किया, सबको। तो इधर मैं आप लोगों को बताने जा रहा हूँ आप लोगों ने मीरा ड्रॉप कैसे विन करना है, कैसे हासिल करना है। ओके, तो लगे रहे मेरे साथ, जुड़े रहे मेरे साथ, आप लोगों को बताता हूँ। Mira is a decentralized verification network that enables truly autonomous AI current AI system product produced hallucination and unreliable output requiring constant human oversight that okay। तो इसकी और भी मालूमात है जो कि मैं आप लोगों को बताने जा रहा हूँ। Prevent their deployment and critical applications. Nisa, which queen do you think will surprise us today? Today, queen is going to rising. Their name is queen name is pumpkin. Pumpkin also pumping. So that, my dear friends, here are a website. So let's come. I open the website and new tab. But new tab is not open, so that जब तक ये ओपन हो जाएगी मैं आप लोगों को और बहुत सारी मालूमात बताता हूँ। Is this week good for trading or holding? Holding because there are lots of queens. I am also holding. Oh, that's wonderful. Trading king, go Yuleng. Trading king, go Yuleng. Can the support trading be started? Yes, you can. You can start it, my dear friend. Little bit. That's the right, my dear friend. Okay, the support and future trade also start, my dear friend. Also started. Thank you, Mr. Trading King Zhao Yiling. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you will be fine, my dear friend. So let's come see there are other things, my dear friend. There are website also open. So I am tell you after reading this section, what is this website, okay? So that here are some price pool, total price pool, my dear friend, 125,000 Mira, and there are total participants are 11927, okay? And event ended after 6 days, 4 hours, the event will be ended, okay? Event timeline, my dear friend, registration open. I am already registered. You can see here are the one option is black. There are event ended, not ended, and the two option is also white. And airdrop distribute three is अभी रहता है, ठीक है। So that, my dear friends, now let's come to see prize pool. Here are a wonderful information, very informative things I am telling you. So listen be very carefully because I want lots of prize from here. Okay, so that first future trade pool 25,000 Mira. Okay, individual cap 14 Mira, 40 Mira. First of all, log in and participate. आप लॉग इन करें, पार्टिसिपेट करें, कंप्लीट दी फॉलोइंग टास्क। ये जो टास्क है नीचे वाले इनको कंप्लीट करें। फर्स्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ट्रेडिंग टास्क फ्यूचर ट्रेड exclusive. Okay, make your first future trade after joining gate and achieve a Mira future trading volume 300 USDT. That's very. That's a golden chance for you, my dear friends. You can hit easily, very easily. Catch 300 volume. If you don't understand, you can participate my live team. I am telling you how to get 300 volume and win this candy drop. Okay, so you can see here, first candy 300, second candy 800, and third candy 1500. This is very, very simple, my dear friend, because when I make, when I complete this task, so I complete the volume 10,000, 10,000 volume. When I complete, then I receive 3 candies. So there are a very easy and simple task. You can go join, set your leverage, make trade in Mira and get candies. After the event end, you can get a wonderful airdrop from Gate IO. So that, my dear friend, here are one Sinuwang. Get like bonus stuff, candy drop Mira. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, yeah. That for you, Sinuwang. That for you. Thank you so much for joining, Sinuwang. I hope you will be and you will be fine. Why not replying my mobile? मेरे कमेंट्स डिलीट किए जा रहे हैं, क्यों डिलीट किए जा रहे हैं? Tilan 01 E Yeller bro, I don't understand your language, my dear friend. If you reply me into my language, then I will be better understand what are you asking me. Like that, Xin Wang, like that Xin Wang. Xin Wang के लिए कमेंट सेंड नहीं हो रहा भाई, क्यों नहीं हो रहा मुझे नहीं पता. नहीं हो रहा भाई. Xin Wang, I am replying you, but comments is already going to missing. Why missing? I don't know. Okay, so that you can see, my dear friend, when up to 14 Mira. So there are a very simple and easy task. Very simple and easy task. Okay. So my dear friend, there are fast future trade for new users and there are future trading to share 550,000 Mira. That's wonderful and amazing. That's task for me. Should we hold ourselves? Which queen? In which queen? Project Mira is going very well. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. My comments are not printing by. Why I don't understand. देखो आपको जो रिप्लाई देता हूँ वो कमेंट्स मेरा ऑटोमेटिकली डिलीट हो जाता है. तो मुझे नहीं पता आप कौन हो. बहरहाल जो भी हो, थैंक यू सो मच. Project Mira is going very well. Yes. So that, let's come to see there are other things. Future trading to share 50,000 Mira. Individual cap 80 Mira and log in to participate. Complete the following task. You can see. Oh, that's very big amount, my dear. Here are 7 candies. That's very nice. काश कि मैं इसको पार्टिसिपेट कर सकता तो मैंने इतना वॉल्यूम इजीली बना लेना था आराम से. क्यों कि मैं इसमें पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर सकता. ये देखिए मैंने ये पार्टिसिपेट पे क्लिक किया. ये कहते हैं सॉरी यू आर नॉट एलिजिबल इवेंट, प्लीज चेक अदर इवेंट. उनको पता है मैं टास्क पूरे कर लेता हूँ, इसी वजह से उन्होंने मुझे एलिजिबल ही नहीं किया. मेरी प्रोफाइल पे टिश करके निशान लगा दिया, भाई आप लोग जो है टास्क पूरा कर ले, तो लिहाजा आपकी गुंजाइश नहीं है। So my dear friend, complete the following task. Mira future trading, one candy 100 USDT future volume. Then you can get three candy for 200 USDT future volume. Then you can get five candies, 5,000 USDT future volume. Then you can get seven candies. You can get when you can get 7,000 future trading volume. Okay, when up to 80 mira. So that let's come to see here one more thing, that for new users very easily and quickly you can get chance to win mira, 80 mira. That's wonderful price, my dear friends. So that you can see even different here, 50,000 mira. Log and participate, complete the following task. So let's come to see participate, and I am not eligible. Okay. She Wang, great way to explain on Mira. Thank you, thank you. मैं आपको जानता हूँ, नहीं जानता, नहीं पता मुझे। बहरहाल आपकी कमेंट से ये ऐसे ही लग रहा है जैसे मैं आपको जानता हूँ। हेलो हेलो। तो आपको कमेंट्स क्यों नहीं हो रहा, मुझे नहीं पता क्यों नहीं हो रहा, पता नहीं आपने मुझे ब्लॉक किया हुआ है। थैंक यू सो मच। बड़ा कमेंट्स लिखूं शायद आ जाए ना जी ना, आपके लिए कमेंट्स कमेंट्स बोला। गेट यूजर, हेलो हेलो, थैंक यू सो मच। गेट यूजर, हाउ आर यू टुडे? आई होप यू विल बी फाइन। So that, my dear friend, complete following task. Newcomer invite task for every friend who invite whose support trading volume in Mira reach over 100 USDT. You will receive one candy with a maximum of 10 times. Okay, that's very easy, my dear friend. Get user, hello hello, my dear friend. Get user, hi hello. So that we can see, my dear friend. Okay, first 0%, 50% and 100% when up to 18 mira. That's very simple and easy, my dear friend. One user. So let's come to see terms and condition. Number one, to claim reward, participants need to tap click the join button on the event page to register for the event and complete identity verification, and event task reward will be distributed to users account within 14 working days. 14 working days after the event end. Okay. So here one more thing, my dear friend. Any fraudulent action, including bulk account registration, malicious trading, self trading, and coordinated trading are strictly prohibited. Multiple accounts with the same identity information will be considered as the same account. Sub account are not eligible to participate in this event. This event is not open to market makers, enterprises and institutional affiliate account are not eligible for this referral type anything. So that you can see, my dear friend, that's line for me. That's line for me, my dear friend. I am not eligible for this event. Affiliated account are not eligible for referral type event, but can join other event. Only fully filled order are counted toward the event. Pretty filled or one are not counted. She Ning, carry on. Thank you. आपने मुझे फॉलो नहीं किया हुआ, पता है आपको? मीरिया, आपने मुझे फॉलो नहीं किया हुआ, जिसकी वजह से मैं आपको ढूंढ नहीं पा रहा। ठीक है, आप कमेंट्स करो, मैं आपकी प्रोफाइल चेक करूंगा। मेरा कमेंट्स आपके पास क्यों नहीं आ रहा, इस चीज को देखने की फुल कोशिश करूंगा। तो लेट्स कम सी, माय डियर फ्रेंड, नंबर पता नहीं क्यों नहीं आ रहा कमेंट्स यार, समझ से बाहर है यार, कमेंट्स क्यों नहीं आ रहा। हाँ, so that my dear friend, in case of discrepancies between the translated and original English version, the English version shall provide get reserve the right of final interpretation. It risk warning, cryptocurrency trading is affected by man factors such as market fluctuation and policies. The market fluctuation greatly and it is difficult to participate. Please fully understand risk involved and trade with cautiously. User from restricted region have not access to all over parts of the service, including participating in this event, game, or competition. For more information about restricted region, please refer to the user agreement. So let's come. I am tell you related about website. So here trust less verified intelligence. Okay, Mira makes AI reliable by verifying outputs and action at every step using collective intelligence. Okay, so that my dear friend, there are lots of things in the website. You can go direct here and see the lots of things. So here collective wisdom, verify AI output using other diverse LLMS. Okay, the resilient system secure with battle test crypto primitive full autonomous. Remove human in the loop from your AI. Shi Wang, Mira project is on fair. Thank you. No, I am Kachu. Who are you? I am now see. Who are you? A little bit. Your age is 7. आपको 7 मंथ हो गए, 7 महीने हो गए लाइव अकाउंट को ज्वाइन किए हुए। तो इसमें फॉलोअर कितने हैं? 15। इसमें कौन कौन से हैं? डिस्कवरी। हाँ, अच्छा 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 अच्छा, आप समझ आए। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। ओके, दैट्स योर लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग, 1 hour, 1 hour, 5 hour, that's wonderful. Thank you. So I understand who are you. So that thank you so much for commenting. Be doing. You are doing to good, making good life team. I hope soon you can achieve your target. So Q Poco. So इसको देखते हैं. What is this, my dear friend, in the website? So when he is open, I am telling this. So that here one thing more. Read Mera white paper. So if you wanna, you can go and read this white paper. I think there are so heavy network. So we have not opened their website. So here are white paper. You can see, my dear friend, Mira, a decentralized network for trustee AI output verification. Nin Naik Siddhartha, do deeply Karan Siddhasi, ये हैं जनाब इनके नेम। तो इनकी जीमेल्स भी हैं। तो इंट्रोडक्शन भी है, इसमें आप जाके देख सकते हो। नेटवर्क आर्किटेक्चर भी है और इधर बहुत सारी और चीज़ें भी हैं। ठीक है, तो अगर आप चाहें यू कैन गो एंड मेक इजली यू कैन सी। सो दैट लेट्स कम टू सी हियर। Collect is trustly verified intelligence on command. Get Mira point for using multiple AI models to ask for anything and everything. Continue with Google. No. Multimodal access on point to chatting. Get reward for reference. Ah, that's wonderful. Great. So now I am going to see other things in Mira. Okay. So we are see also that Mira. Here are writing, docs, and social. So here are X and Discord, and there are get and use most implement and deployed AI workflow. So okay. So thank you so much everyone. Now we are going to see there are other things. Can they drop? Okay. तो हमने कहाँ पे छोड़ा था? यहाँ पे। तो इसको दोबारा यहीं से स्टार्ट करते हैं मेरे दोस्तों। So let's come to see first future trade by pool rules. User who's very first supported on gates with Mira, achieving a future trading volume 300 USDT. Well earned one candy to the total reward pool as 2A500 Mira maximum per user. 40 Mira the reward rule is a follows. Okay. Volume of first future trade 300 USDT one candy. That's very simple and volume of fast future trade 800 USDT 3 candies. We can get 3 candies. That's very amazing. That's full discount area. So volume of first future trade 1,500. That's very simple task. If you know about future trade, there's a चुटकी में ये टास्क पूरा हो जाता है ठीक है Hello, Snapper BM, Subal Khair Jami. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Snapper BM, my dear friend. How are you? Good morning. How are you? How are you? How are you? So that, my dear friend, हैं यार मैंने कमेंट्स करता हूँ मेरे कमेंट्स गायब हो रहे हैं मेरे मुझ पर पाबंदी लगी हुई है क्या वजह है स्नैपर बीएम सुबह खैर जमी गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन सुबह खैर जमी सुबह बखैर स्नैपर बीएम थैंक यू सो मच स्नैपर बीएम थैंक यू मेरा कमेंट्स डिलीट हो रहा है तो मैं कमेंट्स ही करने जा रहा हूं सी दैट लेट्स कम टू माय डियर फ्रेंड नंबर 3 इनवाइट फ्रेंड pool during the event each successful referral where a friend signs up and complete at least 100 USDT in the Mira. Support trading on one candy up to 10 candies per user all candy. Holders share a 50,000 Mira prize pool with a maximum reward of 80 Mira per user. Note valid friend must sign up via this event link and complete at last 100 USDT support trading of Mira if the invitee participates in other events. The inviter cannot claim candy reward simultaneously. Okay. Shin, very good morning. Thank you. Shin Wang, very good morning. Thank you so much for joining. Who are you and what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? So that, my dear friend, note, my dear friend. There are note. Valid friend must sign up via this event link and complete at least 100 USDT support trading of Mira if the event invitee participate in other events. The inviter cannot claim candy reward simultaneously. So in project introduction, my dear friend, Mira is a decentralized verification network that enables purely autonomous AI. Currently, AI system produce hallucination and unreliable outputs, requiring consultant human oversight that prevents their deployment in the practical application. Mira solves this through consensus beside verification, routing outputs through multiple independent AI model and requiring agreement between them. This creates mathematic verifiable and translate result without human intervention, eliminating single points of failure while maintaining real-time performance. With Mira AI can operate autonomously in high stacks domains like healthcare, finance, and legal service, where accuracy is not no, negotiable by providing the verification infrastructure for uh, trust trustworthy AI outputs. Mira transforms AI from a surprised total into autonomously intelligence, capable of independent operation. Token Mira official website. I am also tell you their things. Okay. So that, my dear friend, note participate must click the join button on the page, event page after successful joining the event. They must complete the event task and identity verification to receive reward. Reward will be distributed to user account within 14 working days after the end of the event. If it is strictly prohibited to register multiple Samal account, engage in malicious wash trading, self buying, and self selling or any other cheating behavior. Multiple account of the same verified user will be considered the same account, sub account are not allowed to participate in activity. Market maker, enterprises, and institutions are not allowed to participate in this event. Agent accounts cannot participate in in the fund invitation type activities. Well, other activities are unrestricted. In case of any discrepancy between the translated version and the English version shall provide. Gate has the final interpretation right of this event. User in restricted areas cannot access all part of the service, including participating in this event, game or competition. Over more information about restricted areas, please you read the agreement. Here are risk warning. User must pay attention to the fact that virtual currency trading is affected by the virus. Factors such as the market and policies. The market is highly volatile and price fluctuation are difficult to predict. Please be sure to pay attention to make market risk and trade cautiously. Okay. Getty in September 26, 2025. Gateway to crypto trade over 3500. Cryptocurrency safely, quickly, and easily on Gate. Take action, sign up, claim up to 10,000 welcome reward. Invite friend and earn 40% commission. Stay connected to your Gate official website. Download app. Follow on Twitter X. Get more bonuses. Join our Telegram and discuss trading tips. Engage with our global community for the last insight. Okay, so that, my dear friends and followers, now my topic is finished. So now I am finished my live stream. So see you soon, my dear friend. One more live stream for trading signal market analysis. So have a nice day, good day, take care. Tata, bye bye, Allah Hafiz, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi barakatuh.